The 8 powerful clans of the Ashanti. Did you know the Ashanti aren't just one big family? They've got 8 powerful clans, and your clan decides who you are, who you can marry, and even your destiny. Number 1, Oyoko, Royal Clan of the Ashanti Kings, Asante, Totem, Falcon, and Hawk. Role, leadership, governance, and royalty. Number 2, Bretu, known as brave warriors and protectors. Totem, leopard. Role, defense and bravery. Number 3, Agona. The Agona people are skilled in diplomacy and speech. Totem, parrot. Role, orators, negotiators, advisors. Number 4, Asene, justice keepers and truth seekers. Totem, bats, and their roles is custodians of law and fairness. Number 5, Aduana, believed to have come from the sky with fire. Totem, dog, and fire. Role, innovation, spiritual connection, and guidance. Number 6, Ekwana, respected farmers and food providers. They provide food for us. Totem, buffalo. Role, agriculture, sustenance, community care. Number 7, Asachiri, associated with perseverance and survival. Their totem is vulture, symbol of endurance and cleansing. Role, overcoming hardship, renewal. And the number 8 is Asona, known for unity and peacemaking. Their totem is crow or raven. Role, mediators, community builders. Every Ashanti belongs to one of these 8 clans, passed down through the mother's line. 8 clans, 1 nation, and if you are Ashanti, your clan is everything.